afternoon. It's currently 2:39 p.m. and we're getting ready kay gender reveal ni Mama. It's currently raining outside, but we're gonna go ahead and get ready. Life update. Masakay kami sikat. Yung mapabantod kami. Sa bantod, gaganapin ang gender reveal ni Motherly. Guys, ari na kami sa tricycle. At na kami sa bantod. Hello guys. Ari na kami sa bantod. Guys, makatod sila kung team girls or team boy. Ako, obviously, team boy. Oh, team girl, team boy. Boy.
Neutral.
Neutral. Team girl ka or team boy?
Team boy!
Girl! Boy!
Team boy.
Team boy. Boy! Boy! Kuya! Team boy! Ay, team boy!
Boy.
Team ano ka? Uy! Team girl, team boy.
Boy.
Ikaw yan?
Boy!
Boy! Boy!
Boy.
Team boy ah.
Kaya na ang team girl. Boy!
Boy. Ano sa bat team boy? Balaan mo na na. Kung na sukso.
Hello!
Hindi mo kasama. Team boy.
Halin kay Mayflower.
Ang tsura si Sayon.
Guys, it's a boy!
Paano hindi mag-perfect kayo rasuras ka panguit?
It's a boy! Azriel! Yan! Ano mambal mo kay it's a boy?
Success.
Ano?
Success. Another manhilong.
Yes. What can you say kay lalaki?
I'm so very proud.
Yes.
I'm very happy.
Hello guys.
It's a boy! Boy, boy!
Wala kami tapos kaon.
Hey guys!
That is all guys for our vlog. And thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned on our next vlog. Bye!